Review mo di. Hello. Yan. Apong. I'm done. Thank you so much. Hello. Welcome to my live. Kuya Onin, thank you po. Maraming salamat. Good morning. Thank you po, Kuya Onin. Salamat po. Madam G, what are you doing? I'm here at the house. At home lang. At home. You're welcome. Yes, Kuya Onin. Sa main ano ko po, Kuya Onin, hindi ako makapasok sa iyo, pero yung pang-support pala okay lang. Nakapasok ako, naka-blow ako dito sa aking kuan. Maraming salamat talaga, nakita ko. Na okay. Pumasok ako din sa aking ano, main nag-ano ko, diba, good morning, and then hindi ko nakita. Salamat. Kuya Noel, Dan, Ma'am Alicia, sa cable ridings, dating dikit na po. Ayan, maraming salamat po, Kuya Noel. Thank you so much. Hello. Oo, maraming salamat sa lag. Yan, Noel. Thank you guys, everyone. Nag-love shoutout. Opo, nag-love shoutout po sa lahat. Thank you po, Kuya Noel, sa yung pag-ano dyan. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat dyan. Kumusta po sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao? At saka sa mundo. Good morning. Kumusta? Dito lang ako. Napinapit ako, Kuya Noel, no? Ikaw na lang ipipin ko, Kuya Noel. Di ka naman nag-live, no? Live ba ka? Ay, wala na, no?
Perhaps most importantly, the testimonies of survivors themselves, collected by organizations such as the Shoah Foundation and preserved in archives, have increasingly included accounts of these events. As the generation that lived through the Holocaust ages, many have chosen to speak more frankly about aspects of their experience that previously seemed too controversial or complex to share. This gradual unveiling does not diminish the moral horror of Nazi crimes, nor equate momentary acts of reprisal with systematic genocide. Rather, it acknowledges the full humanity of those who suffered, their capacity for anger as well as resilience, for vengeance as well as forgiveness. As survivor Primo Levi wrote, "We are not saints nor philosophers. Our humanity